Agni, Vayu, Akasha, Prithvi, Jala. By reducing the Prithvi element, controlling with the Agni, you are going to increase the basal metabolic rate. It will help you to do a fat oxidation. Hold it. You want to do Kapalabhati, you can do. Or you want to rest, you can rest. Both choices yours. Exhale, 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 breathing. Automatic natural inhalation. Exhale should be from your efforts. So take a deep breath in. Or you can do breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out, you can do fast, no problem.